children, now let's do an interesting activity. Try to form words with these letter cards. See one example. M dash N. Here, one letter is missing. So you have to find that missing letter and make meaningful words. Let's start. Dash E-T. N. N-E-T net. Dash I dash. N-L. N-I-L. Nil. N-T. O. N-O-T not. N-C dash. I-E. N-I-C-E nice. M-T dash. A-E. M-A-T-E met. Dash U dash E. M-T. M-U-T-E mute. F dash X. O. F-O-X fox. N-E dash dash. S-T. N-E-S-T nest. Well done. Students, write down your name. Now try to write a word starting with each letter in your name. Rajesh. R. Ring. A. Apple. J. Jar. E. Enemy. S. Sun. H. Horse. Madhura. M. More. A. Army. D. Dog. H. House. U. Umbrella. R. Room. A. Axe. Sahil. S. Sun. A. Ant. H. Hall. I. India. L. Large. Good job, children. In this way, you can increase your vocabulary. खेळांच्या माध्यमातून तुम्हाला तुमचे शब्द भांडार असे हळूहळू वाढविता येईल. त्यासाठी हे खेळ अनेकदा खेळायला हवेत. गुड बाय.